Alright, today I'm going to do a review of Panty and Stocking. I thought now would be the perfect time since I have just finished season 2. So yeah man, without further ado, let's talk about what I like and what I don't like. Okay, here are 3 reasons why I like the show. The characters are gangster as fuck. The action scenes and the scenes where enemy dies are so fucking creative, man. It's so cool. And some of the jokes in the show are really crazy and unique, man. Like, it's so crazy, man. Alright, now to the things I don't like. Some of the jokes are really bad, man. Like, they just go ha 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 ha, something sexual. Alright, now I've said both what I like and what I don't like, so yeah man, let's now go on to why you should watch it. If you like a crazy ass story, man, and like creative action scenes with characters who are gangster as fuck, man, then this is for you, man. Alright man, now I have said all I wanted to say, so yeah man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.